Moving forward towards the odd and then all. So what is an odd over here? It's a unique code over here. So and is in the ASCII, we are comparing it that the Unicode of the particular character that should be less than 128. So if it isn't, then we are going to get the false, and after that we get an output over here. So what is we are doing over here is we are going to go through each and every element in our string one, and we are or comparing it. If it tends to be false, then we get a false, and it tends to be true, then we get a true. We have an all condition all over here, so it's going to check each and every output over here. If neither one operator tends to be false, then it's going to give us an output of an false.